Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this wireless capability is turned off error on your Windows 10 or 11 PC and can't use Wi-Fi. So to fix this, head over to the search menu and type in ncpa.cpl. Now select the first result that appears. Now in this network connections window, you will need to right click on the Wi-Fi driver and then select enable. If it's already enabled, you can try disabling it for a moment and then right click on it again and try enabling it. However, if you continue to experience problem, right click on the Wi-Fi driver again and this time select properties. Now in here, click on this configure button. Now you will need to go to this power management tab and uncheck both these checkboxes and then click on OK. If nothing else works, simply look for a Wi-Fi key or a switch on your laptop. So some older laptops do have a physical switch that looks like this. You can use this switch to enable or disable the Wi-Fi. If you don't find it, simply look for a function key with this particular icon. Now press it together with the FN key and your issue will be resolved.